Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the relay and power control board in this Carrier Gree ETAC heat pump unit, you will need a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver, a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, a short number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, wire cutters, zip ties, and needle nose pliers. Before you begin, be sure to turn the unit off and disconnect the power supply. Remove the unit's front panel by pulling the bottom of the panel out to release it from the tabs, then lift up. Use the number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the control panel. Detach the control panel. Now unthread the lower right screw securing the junction box cover. Unthread the 3 screws securing the junction box itself. Pull back the cover to fully detach the junction box from the power cord. Disconnect the power cord wire connector. Next, unthread the 6 screws securing the control box's side access cover. Remove the cover. Unthread the 4 screws to release the left access cover. Now unthread the 5 screws securing the middle access cover. If applicable, disconnect the wall thermostat wire connector and the energy management wire connector. Disconnect the relay board and transformer wire connectors from the main control board so you can move the middle access cover out of the way. Next, use the short number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw to release the compressor capacitor mounting strap and move the capacitor out of the way. Now use the number 1 Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws, securing the relay and power control board to the mounting plate. Using the wire cutters, cut the zip tie bundling the wires together. Note the orientation of the 18 wires connected to the board. Then lift up the wire insulators, or release the wire connector locks as necessary to disconnect all of the wires. You can use the needle nose pliers to depress the locking tabs to release the applicable wires. You will need to disconnect the two power wires from the terminal blocks to fully remove the old board. To install the new relay and power control board, first feed the two power wires through their respective current sensors on the board and reconnect the wires to the terminal blocks. Now connect all 18 wires to the appropriate terminals on the board. Replace the wire connector locks and slide the insulators over the terminals as necessary. Position the new board on the mounting plate and thread the two screws to hold it in place. Use a new zip tie to bundle the wires together. Reposition the capacitor in the mounting strap and thread the screw to hold the capacitor in place. Reconnect the relay board and transformer wire connectors to the main control board. Then realign the middle access cover and thread the 5 screws. Reconnect the wall thermostat and energy management wire connectors, if applicable. Reposition the left access cover and rethread the screws. Realign the side access cover and thread the screws to secure. Reconnect the power cord wire connector. Then reposition the junction box and rethread the screws. Rethread the lower right screw to fully secure the cover. Realign the control panel and thread the screw to secure. Reinstall the front panel by aligning the tabs over the top rail, then push the bottom of the panel in until it snaps into place. Restore power to the unit, and the ETAC heat pump system should be ready for use.